Have you ever wondered why a place with fewer people than a high school class can still feel like a full-blown community? In the case of Bruce, Alberta, that quiet presence along Highway 14 hints at a history that's bigger than its 60-odd residents might suggest. Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Bruce began as one of the many small prairie settlements in the early 1900s, spurred by railway expansion and the promise of agricultural opportunity. Originally going by the name Hurry, when settlers first set up shop, the community was renamed in 1909 to honor A. Bruce Smith, a manager with the Grand Trunk Pacific Telegraph Company, and a nod to the communication lines that stitched this part of Alberta together. From those early days, a structure that mattered to local life still stand. The Bruce Hotel, first established in 1910, remains a central meeting point nearly a century later, serving hearty meals and anchoring the hamlet's social rhythm. Nearby, the Bruce Community Hall still hosts events, from bingos to book exchanges, via the satellite branch of the Holden Municipal Library, reminding visitors that community here isn't measured by size. Perhaps most enduring of all this is the Bruce Stampede, first held in 1914 and today recognized as Canada's oldest one-day rodeo. That continuity links today's ranchers and cowboys with generations of competitors who have gathered on these grounds. So what's the story behind that quiet curiosity? Why does a hamlet this small still matter? It's because Bruce isn't just a dot on the map. It's a place where nearly every institution, its hotel, its rodeo, its community hall, started long before its current 65 residents called it home, and each still plays a role in keeping its spirit alive. Today, Bruce is a hamlet that carries its history forward rather than hiding it. You'll find a handful of homes and local landmarks clustered along the Prairie Highway, a rhythm shaped by farming, hospitality, and tradition. It's a reminder that even in Alberta's wide open spaces, small communities can hold deep roots and enduring stories. So if you enjoyed this little journey, give that like button a tap. It's free and oddly satisfying. If you haven't subscribed yet, just know I share a new small town story every week, weather permitting of course. Feel free to pass this along to your aunt, your neighbor, or that one friend who still thinks Alberta ends at Calgary. They need this more than they know. And you'll find gradient imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok because apparently I'm not busy enough. But until next week, drive safe, wave at strangers, and take the scenic route.